Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be solving question number 25 from chapter 3. So this is the question. It says that write a program that takes a string as an input and counts the number of vowels and consonants. So I imported the scan class and I made use of it, and I also prompted the user to enter a word or a sentence. So I'm going to store this user input in a variable. So it's going to, let me call it input. So it's going to be scanner dot next line, since it is a string. And I also need two other variables that is going to hold the number of consonants and then the number of vowels. So that is going to be int consonants, and then the initial value, let's say it is 0, because we are going to add to it. And the other one is vowels. The same thing, the initial value is 0. Now I have to use a for loop to change the input of the user into characters and to lowercase as well. And I'm going to use for loop. So this is my character. The variable is character and I name it C, and the input, that is a string. So I have to change it to lowercase. After changing it to lowercase, I have to change it to character and to array. Now I'm going to use if statement to determine if the input is between the letter A and then the letter Z, or it is from A to Z. So if the input, that's the string, okay, the characters, if it is greater than or equal to A, and at the same time is less than or equal to Z. So the number is going to be between A and then Z. I'm going to use another if statement. If it is equal to A, E, I, O, U. If it is equal to value, if it is equal to a vowel. So I'm going to use if the C is equal to, let me use the first vowel as A, or, so I'm going to copy and paste this line 4 times, because it's going to be the same. I'm just going to change. Okay. The next one is going to be E, I, O, then U. Okay, so if the loop I create and find any character that is equal to A, E, I, O, U, if it is equal to vowel, then I'm going to add the number of vowels. So I'm going to say vowels plus plus. I'm going to increment the vowels. Else, I'm going to increment the consonants. So I'm going to increment the consonants. Okay, after that, I'm going to print to the user, this is the number of vowels and this is the number of what? Consonants. So the number of vowels is going to be vowels and the number of consonants is going to be the number of consonants. Okay, so the number of vowels is going to be the number of vowels, and the number of consonants is going to be the number of consonants. So that's it. Let me run the program and see if everything will work fine. It says what? Enter a word. So let me enter a word. And let me say vowel. Vowels. We know that there are 2 vowels in vowels, and the rest is consonants. So 2 vowels, 4 consonants. So the number of vowels is 2, and then the number of consonants is 4. Now, let me type everything in caps, and I'll type everything in small letters and see if it will work. So enter a sentence or a word. So let me write hello world. You see that the first letter is caps, and then second 2 is capital letter. Let me enter. So that the number of vowels is 3, and then the number of consonants is 7. So even if you enter the word in caps or in small, it's going to be the same output, because I use this function. I've used this function to change the input into lowercase. So let me type everything in caps. So I love programming. So it has given out 6 vowels and then 8 consonants. So that's the key. So this is the code, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.